Hey YouTube, it's me. Ooh, titties ain't acting right today. It's me, Empress E. I'm back with another one. This is my Kimbap mukbang. Some of them don't look good, but some of them look good. So I just came back home. I took a bike ride on the lakefront, and I stopped and I picked me up some salmon kimbap and some tuna kimbap. And this is how it looks, like sushi. And some salad. It's a summer salad with strawberries and chicken and bacon pieces in it. I didn't get to eat it, but I did make me some spicy soy sauce. So, let's see how this hmart kimbap tastes. Smell good. I like to get my rice real good and moist. And y'all, I don't even like egg. And this got egg in it. But it's good though. Mmm. Mmm. Look, some of my salad in this spicy soy. Okay. Yeah. H-Mart, Kimbap, tuna. It's off the chain. I'm gonna try the salmon now. I love salmon, but I can't say I am a fan of the raw salmon. I'm gonna have to take my little acne patches off. Or they probably full of sand. That sand and that dust was just blowing in my face while I was riding. Oh no. Okay, so I guess we got to roll this up ourselves. And the salmon is cooked. So that's what's up. I think they did it like this so it won't be so soggy. I bit my tongue. So, I give this a 5. Because it's more rice than it is salmon. The seaweed is pretty good though. But that's a lot of rice. This spicy soy sauce is off the chain. I done got it all on them salad pieces all on it. This makes me want some more sushi. I'm getting full. Once upon a time, I probably used to can eat all of this, but the back ride, and my exhaustion is probably getting the best of me. I'm gonna get ready and do a reading, but I just want to do a quick review on hmart sushi. I might check their little sushi bar out. They weren't open when I went. I had wanted some spicy tuna and some salmon sushi, but they was closed, so I just got the cold sushi. So that feeling went through me, but it was worth it. Definitely worked it. And I don't eat eggs, but these goddamn eggs. I ain't about to unwrap nothing that's up in, huh? I'm gonna have to go get me some more of these, or I'm gonna make these myself. Only thing I do wish was in here, and I'm finna end this, was some pickled radish and some kimchi. And I got some of that in the refrigerator. And that's exactly what I'm finna go eat. Because now I got a taste for some kimchi. Eating all this lettuce. But I'm finna go. This is my Kimbap experience. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. But, yeah. Fire. Check them out. hmart. No! is at this motherfucker. Her and Ruben. Hey, Ruben! He's so mean and he ain't even supposed to be eating no damn sushi. And don't even want it. Y'all, I dropped one of my sushi rolls. And he don't want it. He just don't want the cat to have it. Now tell me that ain't low down the roguish. I did good. It was a lot. These little things is thick. Plus this one too. I'll put this one in here. Alright, YouTube. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this message, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This was my little Kimbap mukbang. Because I'm always coming on here eating that spicy chicken. I figured I'd switch it up, but I'm finna make me some spicy octopus noodles a little later. And that's when I'm gonna eat that. I'm finna start on my kimchi and probably finish the rest of that for dinner with some pickled radish. And you guys enjoy this Sunday, because I am.